Take control of your Windows 11 experience. I'll guide you on how to stop those persistent update notifications. Stay tuned for a quick and easy solution to enjoy uninterrupted computing. Click on Start and select Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click on Pause for 1 week. Go to Start and click on Settings. Head over to Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Switch the toggle off for the Download Updates over Metered Connections option. Go to Search, look for gpedit.msc. And click on the Group Policy Editor once it is displayed in the search results. On the left pane, under Local Computer Policy, click on Computer Configuration. Double-click on Administrative Templates. Select the Windows Components option, locate Windows Update, and open it. Now select Manage End User Experience. Double-click on the Configure Automatic Updates option. Select the disabled option to turn off automatic updates on your Windows 11 PC. Click on Apply and OK to save the settings. Use the Windows plus R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc in the text field and hit Enter. Locate Windows Update and double-click it to open the Properties tab. Under the General tab, select Disabled from the drop-down menu from Startup Type. Click on OK and Apply to save the settings. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.